System lockdowns are important measures that allow you to keep your space secure in the event of an emergency. Lockdowns can be initiated in a number of different ways. Some of the most common kinds are by multi-swiping your credential, by entering a duress pin, by pushing a physical lockdown button, or even by pushing a button on your app. Let's take a look at how we can easily program and initiate a system lockdown in PDK.io. First, let's head over to the System Events page and click the yellow button, Add System Event. We want to give this event a descriptive name. Let's call it Lockdown On. Next, let's create an action. For this example, let's say we want to initiate a lockdown by entering a duress pin on one of our keypad readers. To do that, select On Any Duress in the Trigger drop-down menu. Next, open the Action drop-down menu and select Lockdown On. In the Source Devices section, we're going to click Edit Devices, and then select any devices that have a keypad reader installed at them. Then click Save to return to the event. Next, we need to add our target devices. These are the doors that will actually be locked down. You can go ahead and choose the same as the source devices, or you can hit that Edit Devices button and manually select the devices you want this to apply to. Make sure you click Save when you're done. Next, let's set up a schedule for this lockdown by selecting Always, Reoccurring, or Single Date from the Schedule drop-down menu. We recommend keeping it set to Always. Lastly, in the Dwell box, you can input an optional duration for the lockdown. Now you can click Save and your system lockdown will be created. But we're not quite done yet. Now that we've created an event that initiates the lockdown, we need to create an event to end the system lockdown. To do this, follow the exact same instructions that we just did, but this time choose Lockdown Off for the action. And just like that, you have your lockdown programmed. Hopefully you'll never need it, but now you can have peace of mind knowing that you were prepared for any emergency that may arise. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.